Hey, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to share with you another template that we built on the Funnelish and it's available if you want to purchase. So let's start. So this is the first section and this is the slider and these are the bundles, and you will notice the price will change if I change the package. You can see, and not only the price is changing but also the link of the button will change. Okay, so if you are going to send the customer to the Shopify checkout page and you want to use different link for each package, then it will update the link automatically. Okay, and even if you want to send to the Funnelish with the different links, then it will work. So it will up to you. Now if you move down, the free gifts, FAQ with ingredients, and then this section, this one, this one, a comparison table, more FAQs, and the reviews. Okay, and the best part of this bundle is we built this with the element of the Funnelish. Okay, so we use the Funnelish elements to build these blocks, but the programming is working at the back end. So whatever the custom coding we did, it's working at the back end. So if you want to change the name of the product, the pricing and everything, it's easily editable. So you can do this here. Even you can change this one and everything. Okay, now if we move to the phone version, you can see top there is a slider, then this section, then the bundles. Okay, and gifts, the ingredient, then this section, then this one, before and after, comparison table, more FAQs, and the reviews. So this is the template that we built on the Funnelish and you can purchase it. And yes, as I told, this is the best part, that you can edit the bundles easily as they are built with the Funnelish elements. So let me know if you want to buy this, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.